Dear friends, peace greetings to everyone. My name is Donna and I come from Manipur, Northeast India. I'm a folk singer, Manipuri folk singer specializing in Pena and traditional and indigenous musical instrument of Manipur. I'm representing the Global Alliance of Indigenous People in our indigenous humanitarian peacebuilding work. I come from the indigenous land of Manipur, a place that has recently witnessed deep pain and loss. Life has been lost, homes destroyed, and thousands of families displaced. Many women and children now live in a relief camp, waiting and hoping for peace and stability. The pain is real, but so is the strength and the hope. That is why our indigenous peace-building work focuses on healing, not only ending violence, but rebuilding trust, dignity, and our shared sense of humanity. Through music, stories, rituals, and simple conversations, we indigenous people create spaces where people can breathe, share, and begin to heal together. Because peace grows when we connect, when we reach across communities and cultures, not just to exchange ideas or resources, but to honor and present each other. Peace is not the absence of pain, it is courage to turn the pain into purpose. And so, dear friends, the song I'm going to present today is a titled Manipuri folk song titled Maikei Taiba. And this song is an invocation of our Manipur and a prayer to the God and Goddesses of all the directions, seeking their blessings to safeguard us, protect us, and bring peace, harmony, and goodness to all. Please play the music. The penna is one of the most significant indigenous and ancient musical instrument of our Manipur, considered inseparable from society since time immemorial. The penna has accompanied the people of Manipur in their prayers, rituals, and cultural lives. Structurally, the instrument has two parts. The section usually held in the right hand. This is called chasing. It represents our father, and while the section held in the left hand is called, we call it maru, symbolizing mother or art. And together they embody the harmony of creation and existence. Penna is thus much more than a musical instrument. It is the living voice of Manipuri heritage, a bridge between the sacred and the secular, the past and the present, and the earthly and the divine. Through its enduring melodies, it continues to echo the soul of Manipur. Kurumjari Yaipani.